Once you have your group created for your PLC, you want to set up your resources and make sure it's organized. So I'm going to click on Resources. And as you can see, I've already added folders. You want to start with folders to make sure everything is organized. So if you are elementary, you can organize it by the subjects you teach. If you are secondary, you can organize it by quarters. So for example, you just click Add Resources, add a folder, and let's say I'm elementary and I'm going to say this one is Science, and click Create. Okay. Now, if I am secondary, again, you just add resources, add folder, and two, and click Create. And then you can go inside of each folder. For example, I did quarter one here, and I put the unit that we're going to teach in quarter one. Okay, and then I can actually open this folder and start adding resources. Now we suggest that you actually create everything in a practice course and then save it to your resources. So for example, I'm going to come over here to my practice course, and let's say I want to put this in my resources for my other PLC members to use. So I'm just going to click on the gear, click Save to Resources, and then I'm going to find my group. Here it is, Practice Group. And then I'm going to find the folder that I want to put this in. And so let's just say that I want to put it in the quarter one Exploration and Colonization folder. So I'm going to click there and click Save a Copy. And so now when I go over to my Practice Group Resources and I click Refresh, it is there. And so now anyone that is a part of the group can click on the gear and they can add it to their course.